Welcome to Tenders on Time. In our previous video, we explained how to complete vendor registration on the UNGM portal. After that, some subscribers requested a tutorial on how to submit a tender on UNGM. So in today's video, we will go through the complete tender submission process step by step on the UNGM portal. Let's get started. First, log in using your UNGM user ID and password. After logging in, enter your business-related keyword in the search box. Next, apply the deadline filter as required. Under the organization section, we will select FAO and then click on the search button. Now you can see the list of available tenders. For this demonstration, we will open the Sri Lanka tender. After clicking on the tender, this interface will appear. Now click on View Documents. This is the main portal where the tender submission process will be completed. Next, click on this section. To participate in the tender, click on the Opt-in option. Once you opt in, you will need to complete the required questionnaire. Make sure the questionnaire status shows as completed. Otherwise, the tender submission may remain incomplete. So now, let's click on the questionnaire and start filling it. In this section, there are a total of 28 mandatory questionnaire items that must be completed. Here, you need to enter your company name and your UNGM registration number. After that, select the appropriate response options such as yes or fully compliant according to your company's eligibility and requirements. For example, if you select no for any question, you may also be required to provide a proper justification or explanation in the remarks box. Now, let's complete all the required questionnaire sections. Once completed, click on Save Answers and close. You can now see that the status is showing as completed. The next and most important step is uploading the tender documents. Before uploading, make sure all your tender documentation is properly prepared and ready for submission. Here you can see the tender documents. You need to download these documents and carefully prepare your bid according to the instructions provided in the tender requirements. As shown here, UNGM requires two separate submissions: technical proposal, financial proposal. So you must prepare both documents properly based on your company's eligibility, technical capability, and the tender instructions. In this video, we are focusing only on the tender submission process, so we will not cover the proposal preparation part. Now let's upload the documents. First, upload envelope 1, which is the technical proposal. Click on Upload File and select your technical document. Next, upload envelope 2, which is the financial proposal. Once both envelopes have been uploaded successfully, click on Submit Return to complete your tender submission. After clicking on Submit Return, you can download or print the submission receipt for your future reference. Now, if you want to send any message or inquiry directly to the procurement or tender authority regarding this tender, you can use the correspondence option. Let's see how to create a correspondence message. Click on Create Correspondence. Under the Stage section, select the relevant tender title. Next, enter the subject according to your requirement. For example, we will type Request for Clarification, Tender Specifications. In the message box, you can write your inquiry professionally. For example, Dear Procurement Team, kindly clarify whether equivalent products are acceptable under this tender specification. If you have any supporting document related to the inquiry, you can also upload it here. Finally, click on Send to submit your correspondence. Now, if you do not want to participate in this tender, you can withdraw your participation by clicking on the Opt-out option. So friends, this is the complete process of submitting a tender on the UNGM portal. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tender-related tutorials. Thanks for watching.